Description: Viral Extreme Red Colorwash Color Depositing Shampoo. Cleanse plus color. Maintain. Refresh. Create vivid color. Full color intensity on pre-lightened platinum hair. Less color intensity on dark blonde to brown hair. Benefits: intense color on pre-lightened platinum hair and less color intensity on dark blonde to brown color treated hair. Suggested use: apply to wet hair for 2 to 5 minutes. Rinse. Repeat for more color intensity. Pair with Celeb Luxury Colorditioner. Easy in the shower. Cleanse hair and deposit color in a quick 2 to 5 minute shampoo. Reapply. Repeat shampoo or follow with Red Colorditioner to intensify color. Refresh. Maintain. Use in place of your regular shampoo to keep color looking fresh at home between salon visits. Top reviews from the United States. Great job at coloring? Definitely not as pastel as I thought it would be, but maybe I used too much. I'm sure it will fade into a beautiful pastel pink over time. It's not super moisturizing, but I use a mask when I used it to help balance that out.